With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Okay, so the given question here we have is if sec a equals to what minus of 2 and a lies in the third quadrant, then find the value of what 4 cot square a minus of what 3 sin square a. So first of all, what we have to do now, look, this is what my solution section is. Right, we know it, this is what my solution section here I have here. So now it says that if I coordinate here system, we know that here this is my coordinate system here. Okay, so basically from this, if I have to range the values from 0 to pi by 2 and pi by 2 to 360 degree, so from 0 to pi by 2, this is my 90 degree section, or I can say that from 0 to pi by 2, 0 to 90 degree, this is what my first quadrant, and from pi by 2 to pi, or we can say 90 to 180 degree, this section is what my second quadrant. This pi to 3 pi by 2, or we can say 180 degree to what 270 degree, this is my basically third quadrant, and this one is what my fourth quadrant. From 3 pi by 2 to what 360, or we can say 2 pi is my fourth quadrant. Now we know that one thing you should know, this in first quadrant all angles are, or all trigonometric ratios are positive, and this one only sine and cosec are positive. In third quadrant only tan and what cot are positive, and in fourth only, you guys can clearly know, in fourth only cos and sec are positive. Now question says that here a lies in the third quadrant. Third quadrant means in the section where only tan and cot are positive. So in this section I can say a lies from pi to 3 pi by 2. Okay, so now, and given value of sec a, sec a is given to me in the question as what, sec a is basically my minus 3 by 2, right? Sorry, minus of 2 only, so minus of 2. This is the value of sec a. To find the value of the function given to me, which is what 4 cot square a minus of 3 sin square a, I have to find the value of cot and sine. So first of all, if I have to find the value of what cot and sine, so what I'll do first, okay guys, look here carefully. I have the value of what sec a, so I can find the value of cos a. Cos a value will be what 1 upon sine a, sorry 1 upon sec a. We know that this is the reverse of this one, inverse of, so this will become 1 upon minus of 2. So I can write here that the value of cos a we are receiving is what minus of 1 by 2. Okay, so from this, if I have to find the value of what sine, so first of all we know that my sine square a, what my sine square a plus of what cos square a is equals to what 1. So in that case the value of sine square a will be what 1 minus cos square a, or I can say the value of cos a is what minus of 1 by 2. So this value we are going to receive is basically 1 minus minus of 1 by 2 whole square. Why I have taken the value of cos as negative? Because we know that in this is a lies in the third quadrant, and third quadrant cos is what negative, that's why I have taken this value is negative. So this minus 1 by 2, this will become what, this will become now sine square a will be, okay, so 1 by 4, and 4 minus 1 by 3 will be what, this will become, I can write here this will be 3 by 4. And sine a value if I have to find, sine a will be what, this will be, sine a will be my root 3 by 2, right? This is the positive or negative value. As we know that a lies in the third quadrant, and third quadrant sine is negative, so I can say that this value will be what, negative. So minus of 3 by root 3 by 2. This is the sine a value. Now after this, question says that I have to find the value of what, I have to find the value of cot, right? This is the requirement for cot in the function. So how can I find the value of cot? Okay guys, look, we know that cot a function is basically what, cos by sine. We know it, this is what cos a by sine a, right? And do I know the value of cos a? Guys look, this is what minus of 1 by 2, so I can this write here this minus of 1 by 2, and here this was what minus of root 3 by 2 sine a. So clearly this two cancelling out, minus minus cancelling out, so we are receiving the value of cot a as, look, cot a value is what 1 by root of 3. This is a positive negative value, positive, because a lies in third quadrant, and third quadrant tan and cot are positive, so that's why cot a is having the value of what 1 by root 3. Now to find the value of this one, 4 cot square a minus of 3 sin square, so I can write here first of all I have to find the value of what 4 cot square a minus of what, minus of 3 sin square a, so 3 sin square a. Do we have the values for cot a and sin a? Guys look, this value is what 1 by root 3 for cot a, and sin a is what minus of root 3 by 2. Those two values we are looking for. So if I put the values here, this will become what, okay, this will become 4 cot square a is what 1 upon root 3 square whole square, sorry, and this minus 3 by sin square a value, sin square is minus of root 3 by 2, so minus of root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay guys, after expanding this, or after using the square formula, so this will become what, this value we are going to receive here, this will be 4 divided by 3, positive of 3. Why? We are removing the square root, as we are taking this root 3 as what, this root 3 square here. So from this, other part will be what, minus of what, this will become minus of 3 into what, 3, this will be what, 9 by 4, square is what, 4. So now I can say that this value will become what, if I take the LCM, this will be 12, and here 4 16 minus 16 minus what, 27. So this value we are going to receive for this equation is what, this equation we are receiving the value is what, in negative minus of 11 by 12. So I can say that the answer we are looking for is what? Minus of 11 by 12. This is what my answer value, right? For which part? For this function 4 cot square a minus of 3 sin square a. Now if I go to the options, according to you, which option is correct? Exactly. My option 2 is, which is what? Negative of minus of 11 by 12.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.